So this is a Nelson Racing twin turbo kit. You guys can see twin tile gates, big turbos. So that's for the Camaro that I just showed you guys. So pretty excited to put that one in. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my new home. So this is where I'm working now. This is AJM Customs. So I get to work on all these hot rods. So this is basically Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. So I'm building this right now. It's original big block car. It's got the beautiful dash in it, everything's new. It's got the nitrous button. It's a stick shift car. You guys can see twin carbs. Right, beautiful setup. So I'm just doing the brake lines right now on it, getting that all fabbed up. I got the clutch all finished. I got these headers fit in there. I got the steering all finished. Working on the brackets now. But yeah boys, this thing is gonna be beautiful. See all Willwood, I got the brakes all going right now. Made these brackets yesterday. Put the Nova there, 66 Nova, Cadillac over here. I'll show you guys some more after there, but got this Camaro here. It's the boss's car, 5.3 LS swap, EFI. It's on Holly. Beautiful stuff. So I'm actually robbing the Willwood setup from this one for that because we ordered another one. It'll be here Monday. This Trans Am's here. This is a M88 car, so it's a rare car. Gold. Everything's gold. Interiors was redone, but you guys can see. But yeah, she's badass. TA boys, an M88 car. Like I said earlier, super rare. Same dash as my 81. T-top. These are kit cars, these ones here. So this one, that one, that one. The ones up on the shelves. This is a low kilometer. It's got an LS3 I believe in it. So chassis car, same with this one. You guys can see the rims, carbon fiber. It's got a really nice cage in this thing too. You guys can see there. So we're gonna do one of these for the buddy that owns the Trans Am. And this one here has whole custom front end on it and stuff, you guys can see. Same with the old Ranchero, basically El Camino. It's got full tube front suspension, all TIG welded, Willwood disc brakes, just like all the other cars that we do. So if you guys ever need any quality work done, you could message me, Big Rob. You can message Jesse at Jesse Comfort Performance, or just call the shop here at AJM Classics. So you guys can see this one's next up. This is gonna be a twin turbo. I think it's 69, I'm positive. And yeah, she's gonna be a ripper. You can see obviously we gotta do something so it can steer. But yeah, this thing's gonna be awesome. You guys can see this. I think it's an Art Morrison chassis. So the exhaust runs through the frame, front and back. So pretty excited about this one. I'll show you guys the twin turbo motor here in a minute. See the rear end. Beautiful car. This one's gonna be at Speed Sport, if there is a Speed Sport. Jesse walking. Hey, how are ya? Yeah, this one's gonna be dope as fuck. So this is supposed to be ready for the car show. You can see it's all chrome. It's all taped off. Willwood brakes. Still has the original wood frame. The old Cadillac. So this is Boss Man's car. That's Boss Man's car. So it's a Chevy 2. Just put a small block in it. Got some headers for it there. A couple odds and ends, but should be a nice little car. Got it all cleaned up. So Jesse's hoist is over there. We share the center one with the Mustang, and then this is gonna be my hoist. And the paint booth hoist is here. Robert's there. That's what Jesse's working on today. Doing a set of mini tubs. So this is gonna be awesome. You gotta change the rail. So you cut the rail out and it basically brings it in so you can get the tire in here, because the stock rail used to run across here, right? It's not pictures, Bobo, it's a video. Bob and Rob have that bay they just did. This one here, and we have bullet liner for the boxes and stuff. So if you guys need that, they just resprayed all in here, all white. You can see how fresh it looks. So it's all quality stuff that's done here. Taking a video for my YouTube, buddy. Small block. 302 I put in this.
Show them the booth, right?
Yeah, I did, yeah. Rob did the booth, I just showed him. Yeah. Actually, I didn't go inside, we might as well go show him. We'll walk around. Jesse said I could take a video, so I'm like, hey, don't gotta ask me twice. Might as well show it off.
Right, got a shot, buddy.
Yeah. Just if, you know what I mean, if someone needs. Dang, it's bright in here, bro. Yeah, you guys did a good job. I wish we had before and after though.
I know.
Because like the walls looked literally worse than in here, guys.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Way worse.
The walls literally look like that.
Yeah. Joe Dirte.
Well, just like this one. Actually. Trash, just like this, huh?
Yeah. It's dark in here, yeah, so.
This one will be done soon too. Just gotta fix that rain leak.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's AJM Classics, and like I said, I'll show you guys the motor out front, because that twin turbo setup for that Camaro is badass. You guys see the artwork too on the wall. Also, we have custom upholstery and stuff upstairs. So if you guys need seats or anything done like that too, you guys let us know. Interiors, roof liners, whatever. We also have a full parts room here. Yep. Fresh projects. This thing's badass, boys. I remember this from the racetrack. It's got strange axles in it. Strange rear end. Badass. That's badass.
That sucks.
Yeah, that does suck. That's okay. Same with this. This one showed up, boys. There's some floor pans, trunk pans, boxes.
All of it.
Yeah, buddy. All right, boys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next one.
Couple rigs for sale. Come get them. Blue one sold, going to Ontario.
All right, boys. We just got off work early there. Rob's with me. We went and got some tires over at a couple dealerships. Kind of thing you gotta do when you go drifting, boys. You gotta come to these tire piles and try to find something that's half decent. So looks like mostly truck tires here, but oh, there's a couple over there, Rob.
Yeah, so
We'll check her. All right, boys, she's getting dark out, but Robert and I got a good load today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tires. So that's pretty good, boys. So I think we'll be good for the rest of the season with the Transmaro. Get some more practicing in, and then we'll get this thing parked and get all the new stuff that I got on basically figured out for it for next year. And I'll get Jesse to order that stuff there and over winter, and this thing will be back out with hopefully close to 500 on motor, and probably keep the spray on it for now, and later on maybe we'll even go turbo. But first things first, I want to get the Holly EFI. So I think it's just the Terminator that we're gonna get. But yeah, she's gonna be a ripper, and I can't wait to actually be able to play with this thing, boys. The brothers.
Good girl.
Brothers.
Good boy.
That's it. That's as good as it's gonna get.